Alright guys, I am out here with the Phantom 4 and I'm just looking through some of these settings. Oh, that has live streaming on here. Okay, well that's good. I'm just going to take a little quick flight around here because I just want to see how it acts and stuff like that. We just want to take it up for a little bit because I haven't updated. It needs an update. I'm going to update it. Somebody told me not to update it, but I'm going to update it anyway. Okay? And then if I don't like the update, if it doesn't act right, I'm just going to roll it back. That's all. So let me start the video. Okay, so that's recording. Let me take off. I'll just take off with the automatic button. There, that tripped the obstacle avoidance. But that's okay. Looks like they just mowed the grounds here. Okay, I'll just take it out a little way. I think it's doing the distance from where that car was, actually. Let me see if I look down. Yeah, because the car is over there a couple hundred feet away, and so I would have to go on there and reset the distance. It's like the Mavic Mini, you know, how you reset that distance. And the height's a little off too because I'm up on this hill now. So right here would actually be 700 feet. Right here is actually, it's 700 feet away right now. It's not really 547. It's 547 from the car. Or no, it's 547 from the ball field where I took off, like a couple hundred feet away. That's where it's 547 from, not 547 from where I'm at now. Where I'm at now, it's like 700 feet, 747. So it's not very green on the ball field because the damn it's so dry here. This heat is unrelenting. Very easy to see, as you can see up there. The Phantom it's easy to see. Man, so far it's flying great. Okay, so it's seeing the trees over there at that 23 feet. It's already tripping the obstacle avoidance. And me, it's 13 feet, so it's already tripping that. Now, I'm not making any promises on the way the video is going to look because I left that filter on. I meant to take it off before I left the house. And I left that filter on because it was supposed to be so sunny, but I waited till like 8 o'clock to come out here tonight. So the sun's starting to go down now a little. It's starting to hide around the clouds. So the video is not going to be as bright as it would normally be because I left that filter on. So, but you know, I don't care. I'm just test flying it anyway, so. Okay, so I got the active track. And this is old school active track. This ain't the active track 3.0. But hey, it's working. And that's all that matters, right? It's working good, actually. Yeah, it's working like a champ. It's following me. Active track, follow me. Whatever you want to call it, you know. Okay, so that's worked. I'll kill that. Oh yeah, guys, it flies nice, man. It flies beautifully. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. Flying like a dream. What else we got? Port adventures, draw, gesture, tripod, follow me, waypoints, home lock, course lock. Well, follow me and active track, I thought, well, okay, I guess they must be different. I've never tried tap fly, but maybe one of these days I will. Who knows? Alright guys, I'm just horse shitting around, okay? That's what I'm doing now. I'm just joking around here. Farting around. Flies like a champ. Wow. I hear you. I'm gonna bring it over here to land it. You can fly that thing pretty low to the ground. It's almost scraping the ground, actually. I don't want to land it over there in the grass because I always tip them over when I do that. So I just rather do it here on the sidewalk. Let me stop the video. All right, great stuff. All right, guys, there you go. Phantom 4, still 50%, 48% battery, so it ran off half the battery. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.